guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken ginger with garlic. Let's get started. I have 1 kilo of chicken thigh cut into half. I'm going to put in the pot. I'm going to add half teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 spoon of salt, one teaspoon of ground black pepper, just mix evenly. I have 6 cloves of garlic and 1.5 inch of ginger. I'm going to pound it together. I have 4 to 6 of sweet soya sauce. Put it in and mix together. I'm going to cook the chicken about 15 to 20 minutes. Just cover it. Check the chicken, don't let it burn. Make sure put on low heat. When the chicken halfway cooked, I'm going to add 300 grams of button mushroom. Cover it for now. After 10 to 15 minutes, check the chicken. I'm adding 300 grams of button mushroom. Still on low heat. Just cover it. Let me check. Chicken ginger is ready now. I'm going to turn off the heat. My chicken ginger garlic is ready. I'm going to put in the bowl. Lovely flavor with mushroom. Here's my chicken, ginger, garlic and mushroom is ready. Lovely taste. Try it at home. Like and subscribe. Bye.